Good morning, I'm Dave Sussman. Another tutorial, this one on HDR time-lapse photography. But instead of setting your camera to do multiple exposures, we're going to do something that's been labeled Pseudo HDR. And this is going to be for time-lapse. Advantages of shooting in this method is you only need to shoot one image per sequence, minimizing post-processing and the number of exposures your camera has to shoot. The software I use to produce this type of processing is Photomatix. I'm running Photomatix Pro 4.1. First thing I want to do for this process is I'm going to import a file, and I've got one loaded right here. These are raw files that I shot of Panama City Bridge Pier. Very general settings. The ISO was pushed on this particular shoot, so I'm going to increase the noise reduction by 135%. Was shot on a cloudy day, and I love using Adobe RGB. So here it's reducing the noise and about to bring the image in. Now this is just for a single image. The reason I'm doing this is I want to establish a preset so I can batch process all the images I shot earlier. Here we got a sample of the first image. I'm using tone mapping with details enhancer. Strength set pretty high, color saturation is pretty high, as well as luminosity and detail contrast I really push. Now in a single image that you might display, these values might be a little high, but in a moving video sequence it will actually look pretty good. Temperature I'm going to tone down just a little bit. Gamma I'm going to pull back, and I'm not actually going to process this. What we're going to do here is we're going to go down to the presets and click on that button and save settings. I'm going to put in here post Pier 2. I have a post Pier 1 as well. So we got post Pier 2. Save that. And from here we can close out that image and close that out. Now we're ready to do the batch processing of single images. This is a very easy technique to do, folks. You really should consider doing this. So we batch single images. Pull this up here. I'm going to select the folder where all that resides and drill down to my folder. See PC Pier, Panama City. It's going to go in and look for all the sequence photos there. Say OK. Destinations folder, if you put create under source folder, it'll make another folder and put everything into there. Reduce noise, just like before, cloudy, Adobe RGB again. This is very important here. Since I did a tone map details enhancer settings, I'm going to click on that, and this is where I'm going to find that previous preset. So you click on the drop down box, go find that preset. There it is, post Pier 2. Click on that. Now everything's loaded and ready to run. So basically it's a matter of clicking the run button, sitting back, and letting the computer do all the work.